I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican-style fried rice. First, gather your ingredients including day-old rice, mixed vegetables, and your choice of protein. Ensure your rice is cold and separated to achieve the best texture. We'll start by sautéing aromatics like garlic and ginger. This foundational step builds the rich flavor profile. Then, we'll add the vegetables and protein, cooking them until tender crisp. This ensures everything is perfectly cooked. Achieving that signature fried rice texture requires high heat. Use a wok or a large skillet, ensuring it's smoking hot before adding oil. This prevents sticking and gives your ingredients a beautiful sear. Next, introduce your cooked rice, breaking up any clumps. Stir-fry vigorously to coat every grain with flavor. Finally, drizzle in your soy sauce, oyster sauce, and any other seasonings, tossing continuously. This ensures even distribution and a delicious finish. To truly elevate your Jamaican fried rice, consider adding a dash of browning for a rich, deep color and subtle flavor. A hint of Scotch bonnet pepper, used sparingly, can introduce an authentic kick without overwhelming the dish. Fresh thyme or scallions, added at the very end, provide a vibrant freshness and aromatic finish. Remember, balance is key to a harmonious flavor profile. Taste and adjust seasonings as you go for your perfect bowl. Once your Jamaican fried rice is perfectly cooked, serve it immediately while it's hot and fresh. Garnish with extra scallions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds if desired. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently to maintain texture. For more cooking tips and other great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video. You won't regret it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.